Hi, my name is Thea and welcome to our sewing channel on YouTube from sisterMAG Patterns. In this video, we'll show you the whole process of sewing the 8/6 bustier top, which is a lovely summer essential.
Prepare the pattern pieces. Fold and press the fold of the front middle bustier panel. Sew the middle and side bustier panels together. Make sure that markings end degree 1 fit together. Clip the curve every 1,5–2 cm. Iron seam allowances apart. Best to use a curved ironing board. Place straps lengthwise, right sides together and sew together. The finished width should be around 1 cm. Turn the straps and iron. Sew one lower front bustier panel to the upper ones. Mind seam numbers 3, 4 and 5. Iron seam allowances to the top part. Sew a piece of cotton right sides together to the middle back bustier panel. Turn inside out. Sew straight lines along this middle back piece. The width of each tunnel should be a little wider than the elastic band you want to use. Pull in elastic bands in those tunnels. Secure the elastic with top stitches along one short side. Baste the other side temporarily to be able to adjust after fitting. Place middle back panel between the lining and main fabric of your side back bustier panel. Sew together the upper, short side and lower edge. Trim corners diagonally. Turn the whole piece inside out. Sew the front and back part together. Pin straps to the front top edge, right sides together as marked. Sew the lining front pieces together like you did before for the main fabric. Place lining on main fabric, right sides together. Sew along the front line. You can now sew the upper and lower seam line, while the strap is in between main and lining fabric. Make sure to only sew until the seam allowance. Turn everything inside out. Now sew the front and back part together. You'll only sew the main fabric together. Fold the lining inside and sew by hand. Pull the elastic to your desired length and pin with a needle. Top stitch. Trim the excess elastic. Now continue working the other side of your bustier. Sew on buttons and buttonholes in the front. Sew on straps in the back in your desired length.
We hope you had fun sewing this bustier top. If you're interested, we have a lot of different videos for our sewing patterns, and if you want to follow us, you'll find us on Instagram, sisterMAG Patterns, on Pinterest, also sisterMAG Patterns, or you can have a look in our shop, sistermagpatterns.com.